So I'm going to do a quick little update. I'm using my phone for once. I've been trying to tidy up the garage. It's raining here in Australia, but I've been working on some Hdpe parts. So I've bought a little kind of toaster oven, even though they're not really kind of ovens, they're more of just like a little kind of heater. But that was the first attempt, came out beautiful, turned it on the lathe. That's the second attempt, also came out really good. Now there's obviously been a few failed attempts in between, trying to get the temperature right, trying to get the forms right, trying to get the pressure right. But yeah, once you do get it actually right, then you can produce some really nice parts. That there is actually going to be like a drive pulley for a sander, which that'll be the belt, and there'll be a shaft that'll run through that. It's probably a 6x48 or something like that. So, and then you can see what I usually use for molds is just tins, and then I basically just cut a little plywood or wooden buck, and then just kind of use a clamp and force it inside it. I'm also 3D printing as well. 3D printing a bunch of little storage boxes going to the bottom of my actual toolbox. Mess over here, a nice collection of hardwood and various woods that I've stacked up, and the oven. I'm saving the shavings because I'm going to remelt all that down, and you can see what happens if it actually gets too hot. It kind of singes the plastic. I mean, that's still workable, that's hard as, but that's a failed attempt. And all that stuff can just be remelted and pushed into a form. I really want to do a small little kind of machinist's hammer using either some nice hardwood as the handle or a blend of hardwood, and I'm just going to use some Hdpe for the head, which it's going to come out really nice. It's just a matter of finding time. So yeah, just been 3D printing, trying to clean up. I've also put the table saw on wheels. They're not the best wheels, and it's just some scrap wood. And the good thing about scrap wood is you can just hit it with some spray paint, and it actually looks pretty good. You know, it blends in actually with the stand itself. So anyway guys, that'll be it. There might be a bit of a build video on the hammer later on, but for now there's probably not going to be all too much. Just trying to get situated in here, which is the main priority. So anyway guys, thanks for watching.